Hello guys, today we're going to learn how to solder wires together. You will definitely need solder, soldering grease, wires and soldering iron. Wire stripper, insulation pliers and the stand wire holder are optional. Also, you're going to need some heat rings to insulate your connection from other parts or from humidity. You can use some silicone paste inside for more insulation, but this is up to you. Put the wires to the stand or somewhere stable. Twist the ends and try to get one inside the other. Twist them again to have this result. Put some soldering grease on it and apply some heat so it can melt inside. Then, put your solder by heating your cable. The best way is to heat the wires from the bottom, but my soldering iron is not that good. You can see that it is a good connection because the solder went inside the wire and not outside. Time to put a heat shrink for insulation. Cut one at its size and heat it with a heat gun, blow dryer, or a lighter until it's closed. What if you don't use the soldering grease? The solder will not be filled inside the wire, and that means less strength and conductivity. Thank you guys. If you have a question, write a comment, like, and subscribe.